How does Series A funding impact a company's culture? Have you ever wondered how a startup's culture changes when it receives its first major round of funding? Series A funding is a significant milestone for many startups, marking a shift from early development to a focus on growth and scaling. This transition can have a profound effect on a company's culture, especially in the context of capitalism, where investment drives innovation and competitive advantage. When a startup secures Series A funding, it typically brings in external investors, often venture capitalists. These investors not only provide capital but also come with expectations for rapid growth and accountability. This shift can lead to a transformation in the company culture. Initially, many startups have a founder-driven and informal culture. However, with the introduction of investors, there is often a move towards a more structured environment. This new culture emphasizes clear goals, metrics, and a strategic vision for the future. The influx of capital allows the company to expand its team quickly. This growth requires careful management of the company culture. As the workforce increases, it becomes essential to formalize the company's values and practices to maintain cohesion. Successful startups often build their culture around the values of existing employees and integrate these into official statements. This ensures that as the company grows, everyone remains aligned and engaged. Leadership plays a vital role in this cultural evolution. Leaders must communicate the company's vision clearly and recognize employee achievements. This fosters a sense of shared purpose among team members. In a capitalist framework, this cultural shift supports innovation and adaptability, which are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in a changing market. However, the pressure to meet investor expectations can also introduce challenges. The culture may become more performance-driven, which can impact employee morale if not managed carefully. Companies often find themselves balancing the need to maintain their startup spirit with the discipline required for sustainable growth. In practical terms, Series A funding impacts company culture in several ways. It increases organizational complexity and formalizes processes. The influence of investors on company strategy and governance becomes more pronounced. As the team expands, there is a need for intentional cultural integration. Clear communication of vision and goals becomes essential, and there is a strong focus on talent retention through development and recognition. Encouraging innovation and continuous learning within the culture helps the company respond effectively to market changes. Overall, Series A funding acts as a catalyst that transforms a company's culture from a small, founder-centric startup into a scalable, growth-oriented organization. This transformation aligns cultural practices with the demands of competitive markets and investor expectations, ultimately shaping the future of the company.